You got some Tom Holland Spider-Man from S.H.Figuarts right here. The black and gold suit from No Way Home. Spider-Man. Look at the box on the side. You got some webs. You got some face sculpts. Man, you even has his eyes twitching, changing sizes. Man, this thing's pretty good. Probably one of the best figures out there. I'm going to be doing an unboxing of it. We're going to be checking out the gold and black Spider-Man right here. We're going to open him up. Look at the back. Look on the side. Everything there. So we have it here right now. The black and gold Spider-Man from No Way Home. Not No Way Out. I keep saying No Way Out. Yeah, that's the problem right there. Okay, let's check it out. So right here, you got Spider-Man on the side. So at the back, you got a few alternate eyes. What Spider-Man can actually do, how much movement he has. Pretty good from Figuarts, pretty good. And right here as well, you got Spider-Man in the swing action. Let's open him up. Easy to open. This is one of the reasons why I like Figuarts. They are very easy to open, unlike other toy manufacturers. So right here, we're going to be pulling him out. Oh yeah. That's how he looks like. So that's how he looks like. The great thing about Figuarts is that it just has one filament. It won't be like other manufacturers that it has a lot. So inside, you got a lot of alternate hands. Here is one of the alternate hands, a fist. Let's put it back. Look at how many there is. You got an open hand. You got another open hand. Fists. This one for Spider-Man. Now you have here as well an additional, actually, arm. So that's pretty good right there. An additional arm. A lot of these Figuarts, they don't even have this. You got some webs. A lot of webs, actually. You have to put it on the side. An alternate head. Neck. And look at this one. You can actually change the eyes of Spider-Man right here. So that's the figure. Look at how his movements are. Abdomen can be moved, no problem. Back as well. Look at the legs, feet, toes. They can be moved as well. The hand as well. Here. You can have a web swinger. Another web swinger fingers. Pretty good. Okay, let's check if you can change his heads, how easily it will be. So we got him right here. So the entire neck can be removed easily. Look at that. And that's pretty good from Figuarts because Figuarts gives you what other manufacturers don't. A lot of things that can be customized. You can even put the head of another figure from here. So let's check how Tom Holland's face looks like. That's how his face looks like right there. Wow. Wow. Really looks like him. Really looks like him. Now, let's see how it goes inside the figure. So you see that there's a peg right there. Goes straight in. It's going to, oh, you heard the click. Pretty good. Looks like him. Acts like him. Probably is him. Very good detail here. Look at the face. Look at his hair. Really looks like him. So, that's pretty good from Figuarts right there. So look at that figure. Man, it's pretty good. Yeah. Look at his face. I actually thought it had a mole, some dirt only. So he can actually really focus on how you can actually assemble him. Oh yeah. Right there. And you can actually look at that. You can play with him 360 degrees right there. Here as well. Look at his arms. You can play with it. Okay. He's not lanky. There. Man. Spider-Man. Spider-Sense. Okay, look at that. You can see even his neck. So, how to remove this? Simple. Just pull it out. Then you can change the head. Change back to Spider-Man, the Gold Edition. Here the click. Clicks in. Simple. He kneels down. Man, he gets destroyed by Mysterio right there. Or by some other guy. Yeah. Let's check if you want to change the wrist as well. There's an additional wrist here. And you can change it. So, you can see that this one has a lot of design. That's where you're going to change it. You just pull it out here. Boom. This one goes in. There. Clicks in. Same as others. Then you place a hand that you want to place it in. So you want the fist? Simple. Just put the fist. Clicks in as well. And there. Okay. Spider-Man doing a web swing. Psst. Okay, change the hand as well. Again, simple. Pull it out. This one goes back here with the golden hand. Clicks in. Done. Spider-Man, Spider-Sense. Radioactive wave. There. Yeah.